As a professional Spanish interpreter in Western North Carolina, providing language access during their darkest moments, my heart aches for these incredible people. I was there in the aftermath of Hurricane Helene. Every person I met had their own heartbreaking stories to share. Tonight, as I lay in my bed, the tears come without warning. I pray and I pray for the people of Western North Carolina, finding comfort in both prayer and writing about their struggles. The mountain communities were no strangers to storms, but this one was different. Violent winds hollowed through narrow valleys, tearing homes from their foundations. The rivers began to swell, at first slowly, but soon rose with terrifying speed, breaking their banks and flooding everything in their path. Homes, livestock, and lives were swept away. The water broke through town centers, destroying everything, and families fled to higher ground. Their cry was lost in the roar of the flood. Many never made it. When the storm finally passed, entire towns, standing for generations, were reduced to rubble. Survivors wandered through the debris, searching for something to rebuild from. Despite their brokenness, the people of these mountain towns were not defeated. United, with the help of volunteers in their orange shirts, we worked to clear the wreckage, restoring their homes in the name of love and compassion.